away. He doesn't peck. He only eats flowers. Come here, stay with me. I want to see him.
Don't touch
I wonder if he's hurt. I've never seen a hummingbird sit like this. He was just sitting right on my shirt. Come here, Liam. Come here. Greg! Greg, look at this. There's a hummingbird on his shoulder. Look at this, a hummingbird.
Oh my freaking!
I think it's hurt.
My freaking lord! Oh my god! Greg, how do I stop this?
Liam, you got a pet hummingbird.
Hold
Let's go show Papa. Let's walk to Papa.
Oh my gosh!
Don't scare
touch it! Don't touch it!
He likes Liam.
This might be my spirit animal. That might be my spirit animal.
Yeah, let's go show Papa.
Can we keep him? No.
I think you got something wrong with him to be stopping like this.
Let's take him to the vet. What should we name him?
Okay, Carmen, you go ride that. We're going to go show
Let's
Papa.
name her. Well, do we know what it is? A boy or a girl? Oh.
See, I think his wing's bad.
Wingy.
He keeps trying to fly. You want to go ride the motorcycle
He'll
for?
be potentially disabled.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
He
name
can't fly.
What are you gonna name him, Liam? I'm gonna name him Rest in Peace. What? He might. Oh!
It's okay, Liam. He won't hurt you.
Where is he?
Come here, buddy.
Hey, come here!
He's just right on your collar.
We should
He
name
feels
him
safe
Wingy.
with you.
We should name him Wingy. I like him. He's cute. What do you want to name him?
Dad, come look, quick. This is crazy, Liam. Hummingbirds don't stop. He's on your head. He's on your head. Whoa! Where'd he go? He went up there.
Oh, he's so cute.
Oh my gosh.
That is so freaking cool.